Hi, with another example. Let us take this example. How can we find the derivative of y prime implicitly for e to the power 4y minus ln y squared plus 3 equal to x? First of all, e to the power fx, the derivative of it will be the derivative of the exponent times e to the power fx. So we will first of all derivative for y, the exponent, it will be 4y prime e to the power 4y minus. Now ln, we know that ln gx, the derivative of ln gx is we put what inside the ln in the denominator, and the derivative of the denominator we will put it in numerator. So it will be y squared plus 3, and the derivative of y squared is 2y y prime, and the derivative of 3 is 0. The derivative of 2x is 2. Now multiply all the side by y squared plus 3, so it will be 4y squared plus 3 e to the power 4y y prime minus 2y y prime equal 2 y squared plus 3. Take y prime as a common factor. So I will take this and simplify it. I will multiply 4 by y, it will be 4y squared e to the power 4y plus 4 times 3 is 12, 12 e to the power 4y minus 2y equal 2y squared plus 6. Divide both sides by 4y squared e to the power 4y plus 12 e to the power 4y minus 2y. So it will be y prime equal 2y squared plus 6 divided by 4y squared e to the power 4y plus 12 e to the power 4y minus 2y. Thank you. See you in another example. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel.